So I have done what I have done here. Just I have created one folder. Inside the folder, I have pasted some images. Three images I have pasted. What we have done for Fiverr project, same images I have copied and pasted in that file. Shall we start? Okay. I'm creating one HTML page index.html I have created, and also I'm creating the external CSS style.css. First I'm creating the boilerplate. First I'm linking the CSS. First you have to link the CSS every time. Style source h reference style.css. After that I'm creating one division tag, div tag. Inside the div tag, see the project. First, what is the image gallery? It came center. So I'm doing h1 tag. Inside the h1 tag, I'm using image gallery. Image gallery. Saving and seeing the output. It came image gallery. I'm changing the title image gallery. Image gallery. See the our project. It is there, black color it is there, and see here the font size is different. Here it is there different font size, and here it is there different font size. Now I'm, see here, listen carefully. I'm importing the fonts, different fonts. How I'm importing means, go to Google, use font family, or you give Google fonts. Google fonts. You will get Google fonts, browse fonts like that. Can you able to see, guys? Anyone? Fatima, Afnan, Mavia, anyone? Guys, am I audible? Okay. See, I'm importing the new fonts. How to import, I'm guiding. Clearly understand, guys? Go to Google Fonts. Just click it over that Google Fonts. Here, whatever you font family you need, you can search here, or if you want any different fonts means you can search here also. Now for timing, I want Poppins. Poppins. Poppins I want. Listen here, how to copy the Poppins font. First get the font here. You will get it. You will get the font. After that, get embedded code. Click it over here. Here, first it is there, right? Embed code. First you have to copy this one and paste it in your VS code here inside the heading tag. First paste it over here. After that, what you have to do? Go here. Font family from Poppins. This much. This much is enough. Font family Poppins. Or here font family Poppins sans serif it is there. Poppins sans serif. Copying and pasting inside your for body, right? Style, go to style, See, link I have pasted inside the HTML. Is that clear? Link I have pasted inside the HTML. The CSS property inside the body, you inside the body only, right? You need font. See the difference of the font. It was there, different style. It is the different style. If I paste that, if I paste font family, if I save, I'm split. It will split it. If I save, ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Like this you have to change the font size, sorry, font family. These are you can able to change the fonts whichever you like. You need font families means you can able to do it. Is that clear guys? How to copy and paste the font families, fonts? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವ ತರ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಕಾಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್. Is that clear? You have a different font families, sans serif, different you have. Just you give that much only. Font width how much you want, that and all no need. See here, listen carefully here. They have used Poppins and sans serif. Why they have used means, some of the system, for example mobile only, or some of the Mac or OS Windows, different systems we have, right? Some of these systems won't accept the Poppins font family. At that time, instead of for the backup, it will give the sans serif. If it is not working, it will come sans serif. Is that clear? That's why they have given comma sans serif. Is that clear guys? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Please reply. Okay, now I'm font body is over and I'm giving the margin here. It has a spaces over here. Now I want no space here, so I'm doing margin and padding 0. So I'm selecting the universal selector so that it will apply for everything. Margin 0, padding 0, 0 percentage, padding 0, or a pixel give. It came 0. It has to come center. What do you give? Center means that word only has to come center. What will you give guys? Just select H1. See, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ H1. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲೈನ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲೈನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೈನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲೈನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ center. Is that clear? Align items are different, justify contents are different, text align are different. It came center. One task is come. Okay, see the output. We'll see the output. Second one ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ H1. H1 I'm giving margin, I'm giving on around for 5 pixel. Shall we give 5 pixel and padding so 5 or 10 pixel we will provide. What happens? You see the output, it came center. Now see here, background color is black they have given. So background color we will black, we will give the black color. So for the body you have to give background color black, you have to provide any color give guys, but I'm following that one. I'm giving the black color I have used. If you see here, black color it came, words and all disappeared. You have to give for the H1, you have to give the color white, or body also you can give, it will accept everything, but the word has to come black color only, white color. White I'm giving, so that it will appear white. It came nice. Same way it come. Now I want images. I want images. So I'm giving the image. That one, how what I'm doing means inside the div I'm giving. Inside I'm creating another div so that you can able to align the items. Div, for div I'm giving one class name. Div container. Any name give guys. Container. Inside that I'm taking the images. Around three images. Around nine images we will put it. After that I'm giving the copy the path. Inside that I'm putting pasting from starting images. It has to come. If you give save, it will come. You will give the image. It is not coming. My image is not coming. Images. If you may want, if you give. Right. Copy that image path and pasting the image from image gallery. If you starting that is image gallery, it is there. If you give save, the image is not coming. Okay. Copy, pasting. Is save. Problem. Any idea, guys? Why it's not coming? ಹೌದಾ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ. Creating the div tag. Inside the div tag h1 I'm giving. Inside the h1 tag image gallery. There's image gallery key. Same thing I'm linking. Style link, copy and paste it here. Style.css. It came. No, it should not come this way. It will be there. Wait a minute. What happened? CSS. I'm giving change. It will change the same name. Rename style 1. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, that's why it is right. If I save, it is coming. Okay. Now if I give selecting the h1, text align center, if it is coming means it has to come center. Yeah, it is coming. Then I'm giving the changing the body color, body background color black, color for this one I'm giving the white color, white, any color just I'm giving. It came. Now I'm giving the image, creating the another div, just image source. Inside that source where it is there perfume, copy that path and I'm giving pasting here. Editing from project, CSS project video, it won't come. From image gallery, actually from image gallery it has to come. Why it is not taking? Image gallery itself, from image gallery. Just, okay, from images it came. Okay, did you get guys images? Hello guys, am I audible? Okay, just do it the another images. I'm giving the another images also. Image, copying that path, pasting over here. From images it is coming, from images. Same way for the three images, img. Say ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you have to try to rectify it. Are you getting? ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ you should not leave, you should not quit. How it, why the errors are coming like that, you should analyze always. Is that clear? If it is not coming means you should not be blank, you should rectify everything. It is coming three images. Okay, see our work is has to come this kind of way, like this it has to come, like this it has to come. And perfume one, and we have some description we have. So what shall we do? We will create a one div. For this one I will give class as the container, container, so that if we edit this much only we can use to. I will create another div. Inside the div I will give the, I will put it here. I will cut this one image, put it inside the, okay, same thing I'm doing for rest of the images. Div, creating, and put it inside that image. What I'm doing means like a box I'm doing. I'm creating a one box. So if it is there, div means that is a one container box. That's it. Div, creating, inside that I'm putting. Is that clear? This one. Now I'm giving for this division image, I'm giving image one, or give any image, that one heading 2 or heading 1, you give image 1, image 1 I'm giving. For this one I'm giving heading 2, image 2, image 2. For this one, I'm giving h1, image 3, image 3. Same way, I need one paragraph. Paragraph, lorem, some dummy word I'm giving. Lorem, 7 word I'm giving. Same I'm copying and pasting. Copying and pasting inside the lorem. Another heading tag. And here also I'm putting what happens. Same, I need a more than on 10 or 10 images. For typing, I will give over 9 images. So same things I'm copying. You have to give another images. Just for timing, I have only 3 images. So I'm pasting your pasting. If you see, so we have discussed flexbox. By default, display will be there in the form of block. See the image. If you give, see here, images ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, image 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Everything is there in the form of block. That paragraph is not visibling because of body color. I will give white color, white, whit. So if you see, you can able to see the paragraph also. Now ಎಲ್ಲ image ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ, it is there one big, it is there one small, everything we will put it inside the one format, so that we can able to do it. So image, I'm selecting the image. Okay, image height, I'm giving height, shall we give 200 pixel, 200 pixel. Width, shall we give 200, 200 pixel. We will try. If you see the now, yeah, everything came very nice. This image, why it is coming here, because image 3, I think I have used h1. Image 3 I have used h1. Why? Because it is coming center. See here, h1 I have used. Guys, are you following me? Anyone? Yeah. Because why h3 is coming center? Because that h1 tag I have selected here. See here, h1 tag I have selected here. Text align center. Is that clear? Now what I'm doing, instead, okay, we will remove the h1 instead, so that you won't. H2 we will give image 3, image 3. Same way for the h2 also, h2, image 3, image 6 something give. Same way for the h2 here also, so that it will comes nice. H, image, anything you give guys. Title, for timing I'm giving h2. Okay, everything came very nice. Now our task, everything has to come here. Is that clear? Everything has to come here. So what do you have to select now here? What do you have to select? Before that, we will align everything. So what is the shortcut key? Code na assemble ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ, you have to assemble, select everything, alt shift F. So it will, yeah, ನೋಡಿ, now it came one format. Now see here, inside the container another div we have. So what I'm doing, dot container, I'm selecting the container space and selecting the div. Are you getting? First I'm selecting the container, inside the container, and I'm taking the div. Clear? You understood? Clear, right? You understood or not? Anyone? You understood, right? Container I selected. Inside that I have selected the division. Means whatever is there outside the container div, it won't affect for this one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? I have selected container dot container. Inside the container, what and all div we have, it only it affect. What and all changes I am doing, it will affect for only for this container. Inside the container, what and all there, it will affect. Is that clear, guys? Now, which is the parent? What is the which is the parent for this div? Everything container is the parent, and the rest of the divs under children. So dot container, I'm selecting. Inside that display, which one you have to provide now? You have to give flex. You have to give flex. Now if you see, everything came. Everything came in one row. One row it came. Clearly understand. It came in one row. Now you have to give, which one you have to give? Flex wrap. It has to come here. Below it has to come. So I'm using inside the parent flex wrap. Just give the wrap. What happens? Here everything. Which one? Okay. Yeah, this is the one. Everything came here. See here now. This paragraph is going out of the box. Is that clear? Out of the box, it is going. So, any idea? Any idea, guys? It has to come inside that. Why it is coming? For this one, see here, for this one, shall we give height and width, guys? For this division, same shall we give? If we give for this division, we will give height and width, or width we will give. How much image size? 200 pixel. So that the division also it will come 200 pixels. So width 200 pixel. If you give, what happens? Yeah, everything came very nice. Here between these two box, we need space. Between these two box, I need a space. What do you have to give? Margin. Margin. Shall we give 5 pixel? Yeah, it is very nice. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ guys? Are you following me? Okay, okay. Guys, have you done? See, I'm taking lot of time. For example, 6:30 minutes from till 8 to also I will take because projects are I'm explaining. That's why it is taking time. If the classes means it will the class will be done within a 1 hour. I'm explaining projects also, each and every lines. That's why it is taking time. Don't think bad that I'm taking lot of hours. Okay. It is at the end you will only learn, guys. Okay. At the end you only learn. I know most of that person has been left. So okay, no problem. Or shall we do one day class and 1 day project? Is this fine, guys? Am I audible? Yeah. Okay. Did you do, guys? Okay. And here justify content. Just give the space around so that it is there. See here. Though I have given margin 0 from here it is taking. See here it is taking a space here. We should not give a space here. Is that clear? We should not give. For each thing it has to come same space. So that I'm giving the justify content. For the parent you have to give, not for the children. Justify content because the direction will be there in the form of row. At the by default flex direction will be there row format. So justify content I'm giving space around. If you give, it will fit. Now see here second row also it has taken space around. Now, see here. I want only four images in one row. Rest of the images has to come center. Maximum four image only it has to come. Are you getting? Only four images only has to come. See here, one another concept I'm introducing. Flex basis. I'm introducing flex basis. If we give percentage, you know width is the 100 percentage. If you want only 4 means you have to give 100 divided by 4 means 25 percentage. Are you getting? 25 percentage you have to give. Flex basis property if you use means it take how much maximum size. Maximum is the 4 images. See here, now I'm using here for the content you have to use for the children you have to sorry for the flex basis here it is there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 images it is there but in one row I need only 4 images has to come. Rest of the images it has to go second row. Only 4 images to come in a one row. Rest of the images it has to go second row. If it is there 5 6 means rest of the thing only 4 it has to come and it has to go second row. I'm using the one property called flex basis. That means it takes only maximum under 4 boxes only it should be there. Rest of that it has to come second row. So it takes like a percentage. 100 percentage width you know. So it takes four boxes. The box you need means 100 divided by 4, it takes around 25 percentage. So calculate like that. Just give the, for the container, flex basis. Give flex basis. Give 25 percentage. If you give, it's not taking. Sorry, you have to give for the children. Flex basis. If you give, it will take. See here, it is taking only 3 because 4 is divided by means it is taking too much space. So if you reduce, what happens? Instead of 25 percentage, if you give 22, or we will provide 20 percentage, what happens? Yeah, it has taken 4 thing. See here, it is the maximum.